Good morning everyone. I am Mrs. Nivetha, Assistant Professor from PG and Research Department of Chemistry. I am here to discuss about the reaction intermediates. Today we are going to discuss about the reaction intermediates and the formation and stability of carbocations, carbanions and free radicals. Next, what is reaction intermediate? Reaction intermediate or an intermediate is a molecular entity that are formed from the reactants and react further to give the products. So the lifetime of reaction intermediates is very short and are very seldom isolated. As owing to their very short life period, this reaction intermediate do not remaining in the product mixture. Main carbon reactive intermediates are carbocations, carbanions, carbenes, free radicals, nitrines and nitrinium ions. Today we are going to discuss about only carbanions, carbocations and free radicals only. Next, carbocations. So what is carbocations? In the name itself we can tell carbo in the sense it represents the carbon atom and cation it represents the positive charge. So when a carbon atom is connected to the more electronegative atom or groups, that bond between the more electronegative atom and the carbon atom is break down by electrolytic fission. Then the more electronegative atom removes the pair of electron. So the carbon atom loses its electron and thus it attains a positive charge. So the species which carrying a positive charge is known as carbonium ion. Next, carbonium ion is a ion with a positively charged carbon atom. So carbanion are the two types, carbenium ion, carbonium ion. Carbenium ion are the species with trivalent positive ions. Carbonium ion is the species with the pentavalent positive ions. And the next, formation of carbocations. So the carbocations are formed by heterolysis, protonation and decomposition process. Next, by heterolysis. So here we have taken the tertiary butyl chloride. So the bond between the carbon atom and the chlorine atom is covalent bond. Here the bond breaking takes place between the carbon and chlorine atom. Chlorine atom is a more electronegative atom. So when the bond breaking takes place, it takes away the electron, both the electron from the carbon atom. So since the carbon atom loses its electron, it attains a positive charge. So here the carbanion is formed. The name of the carbanion is named by just adding the word carbanion to the carbocation to the parent alkyl group. So here the parent alkyl group is tertiary butyl. So the word name of the compound is tertiary butyl carbocation. Next, protonation. So protonation is initiated by the hydronium ion. Here the protonation takes place in the alkene compounds. So carbocation is formed. Next, decomposition. So decomposition takes place by benzene diazonium chloride. So carbocation is formed. Phenyl carbocation is formed. Next, stability. So stability of the carbocation follows the order. So tertiary carbocation will have more stable, methyl carbocation is less stable. So the order of stability can be explained on the basis of the following factors: inductive effect, mesomeric effect or resonance effect, then hyperconjugation effect. So inductive effect. More the number of alkyl groups on the carbon atom carrying the positive charge, greater would be their stability. This is due to the alkyl group here act as a electron releasing group. So when the alkyl group releases the electron, so the carbon atom, positively charged carbon atom gets stabilized by their extra electrons. So the stability decreases in the order from tertiary to methyl. Tertiary carbocation is more stable and methyl carbocation is least stable. Next, resonance effect. So carbocation in which positively charged carbon atom is attached to a double bond or benzene ring is stabilized by resonance. More the number of resonating structures, then more will be their stability. Hyperconjugation. Tertiary carbocations are more stable than the secondary carbocations. Primary carbocations are highly unstable. This is due to the fact higher order carbons are stable by the hyperconjugation, whereas primary carbocation is unsubstituted carbon. Here the stabilization will not take place by the hyperconjugation. Next, reactivity. So the order of reactivity of any chemical species is reverse that of their stability. So when the stability increases, then the reactivity towards us decreases. So here the reactivity of carbocation decreases from the sense. Next, carbanions. So here also the carbanion, from the word itself we can tell carbanion, carbon carrying a negative charged species. When a carbon atom is attached to a less electronegative atom or a group, breakdown by heterolytic fission, here the less electronegative atom taking away the electron. So the carbon atom bears a negative charge. This is because due to the presence of extra electron on the carbon atom. So the ions carrying a negative charge on the carbon atom are known as carbanion. Next, formation of carbanion. Here the carbanion is formed by proton obstruction, decarboxylation and the addition of nucleophile. So the first method is proton obstruction. Here the proton obstructed by the base, carbanion is formed. Next, decarboxylation. So decarboxylation takes place, carbanion is formed. Next, addition of nucleophile. When the nucleophile is added to the alkenes, nucleophilic attacks takes place at the alkene. Then the formation of negative charge on the adjacent carbon atom where the nucleophilic is attacked. Then the stability. So stability of carbocation, carbanion is follows the order. So the order of stability can be explained on the basis of inductive effect, resonance effect and electronegativity. So here the inductive effect. So inductive effect is nothing, it is based upon the alkyl group attached to the carbanion. So greater the number of alkyl group attached to the carbanion, the lesser will be their stability. This is due to the fact the alkyl group releases the electron. So due to the release of electron, the positive charge density on the carbanion increases, hence it would not get stabilized by the more number of electrons. So when the number of alkyl group attached to the carbanion is greater, then the stability will be there less. So the presence of electron withdrawing group increases the stability of carbanion. This is due to the fact the electron withdrawing group decreases the negative charge density on the carbanion. Next, resonance effect. So carbanion is stabilized by resonance due to the delocalization of a negative charge diffuses over the whole molecule and the stability increases. So stability increases with increase in number of resonating structures. Next, electronegativity. Greater the electronegativity of carbanionic carbon, more is the stability of carbanion. So the electronegativity of carbanion is based upon their S character. So when the percentage of S character is higher, then the stability of carbanion is also higher. Let us see here, the sp hybridized is more stable, sp3 hybridized is least stable. Next, reactivity. So the reactivity is also similar when compared with the carbocation. The order of reactivity of any chemical species is reversed to that of their stability. So here the order of carbanion follows in the order. Next, free radical. This is the last reactive intermediate. Free radical is an atom or a group of atom having an odd or unpaired electron. This is results on account of homolytic fission from the covalent bond and are denoted by putting a dot against the symbol of atom or a group of atom. This is a representation of the free radical. This is methyl free radical ion. So the naming takes place just adding the free radical ion to the parent alkyl group. Formation of free radicals. So several methods are used to generate free radicals. Radicals may be generated directly by thermal, photochemical, redox process that accompanies homolytic dissociation of two electron bond. So here the homolytic dissociation takes place between the chlorine molecule. So chloride free radicals are formed. Then in the next one, the homolytic dissociation takes place between the carbon and hydrogen atom in the methane molecule. So the hydrogen atom pulled towards by the chloride ion. So HCl is formed and the methane radical is formed. That is also known as methyl radical. Then the stability. Stability is similar that of the carbocations. So the stability of free radical is decreases towards from methyl to tertiary. So tertiary will have more stable and methyl radical will have least stable. This stability is also explained on the basis of resonance effect, inductive effect and the last hyperconjugation. So here when the more number of alkyl group is attached to the free radical ion, more will be their stability. This is due to the fact the more number of alkyl group will increases the stability of the free radical ion. Then the next one, resonance. More number of the resonating structure will increase the stability of the free radical ion. And the last one, hyperconjugation. Hyperconjugation is nothing, shifting of the bonded electron from sigma bond to the pi bond. So here the electron shifted from the sigma to pi bond and the stability attains stability attains through the free radical ion. Thank you.